omo mini said omo kan omo beye na omo de power ana ono so de ani mu kan nti yantimi anye no na fe ono na nanim da se ono de try and throw nti NDC for me pamsha and saw your trofo and I'm a 42 musa bamia your trofo na se say crowd iOS they said the iOS crowd say almost saw your trofo na iOS it's me from 2024 election and near corner even though na be a party in me kokoye campaign me chairman Krakow in the region bono kokoye campaign but let me near that so be I say obetwe we need power and it's the same now they say crowd iOS city true ne say na o didi Canada tama Canada chidi for be brebu afu no obi onu ma onkonkoto man this ba onkoto can anko the base now cow MPP mu minimum Crawford there is no way obenya fa so bia MPP and they no cray me show say ne can call trinity crime more na say MPP every near they will still refer to some things or perceive say why a perception keke enti eno omo make chance enti ma on ha ho say okwa boa MPP eno de M1 no o de fa no ono ankasa ni juma odi private life na wetimi ayiska $6 million at the Security Center 37
okay
denti Ghana for hin na betimi ayisa or a businessman on ko investor e multiply man no but we use case or the Security Center the whole Ghana ya benefit and when show how or draw or woman nipa the time no can be di ebeka ntokwa bia na ye party NPP no
or do warmer party no
the ntokwa bia kenanya bia ye NPP no and so omatimi adane na say ni suban so de nam no didi matem hwe ne yira ajo asafo de okikai then the chesuri data who decides him here party like a canna just or do your tempo the way I hear what you do
nti say politics no o share politics no so I say in facing what are so woman na we free
me join 2010 but this year na my imagine say we call pension we join with my call pension so politics no.
Oh there be pension
seriously to be frank na me mentor ye Kennedy Japan.
Okay, Kennedy compare kwa Japan.
Yes.
Didn't na who Kennedy say or your mentor?
Didn't na me pe Kennedy na ne say ne o tima menipa. Ne how ni say Ghana for mebu no benya adwuma. Am say me ade when you say hu ba kwa me opportunity.
Na when you so
me pa say ye share Kennedy na almost can say from be brave fan but the truth of the matter ni say nanka obeboa Ghana and one na me hwehwe
na wususu say de na wo hu wo kan mu a wo hu say kan betimi aboa Ghana ni de
fine o de fan ono ankasa ni juma odi private life na wetimi ayiska $6 million at the Security Center 37
okay
denti Ghana for hin na betimi ayisa or a businessman on ko investor e multiply man no but we use case or the Security Center the whole Ghana ya benefit and when show how or draw or woman nipa share ni impact bebre or hospitals ahoro hwe Kumasi Confanochi Teaching Hospital the signature or Tamale Teaching Hospital the signature or they say oye bibi oye nia ebebo nipa ana individuals are when impact on my brabom say or one of four schools say it is in short no the entire me pen and say oh tima and mamu gidi say senior ni tutie no see a man opportunity na obedi Ghana anymore e betimi anya bibi pa afimu Ghana be economy and secondly owakokodro say yemen ya to sin bebre e science say a dikan for no omo bebre ni akokodro we say we are say Europe ne western world no na control yen bebre say when you obi obetimi agina a challenge omo omo fa ofu and I na mo gide say Canada nya opportunity na o ma bi o je bibi ma brofo na no nim say ya de a Ghana benya ho fa so ka mo ntimi fa ye niema free sa keke eno nti na me gide say Kennedy will be the better person to lead us. But aside that, no, politics as usual. As I say, me who say, the NDC by the NPP by difference be any.
Hey.
Oh, NDC NPP,
to say, who say, as a mummy and in a dukaya?
No, Papa.
Papa back home, back.
Oh, yes, it's true.
Obi say because of Yera Kennedy, I compare with Japan, and anything of person resign free. Politics.
Then me come koji. And yeah, for my personal self, me I'm over 60.
Yeah, baby, what do
you me compare for my personal self, but me probi oba obenya Ghana benya so faso na the true ni mabun that change ma no e benya faso, but ne ko de say you jai and before we complain the NDC for you jai more mamba be the same thing.
Yeah.
Even for make the same but konanim because o share said ya mamunity a obi start bibia one party start bibia there be say o din someone and there be if you say enye papa more man ba kono be ka ho asema so no so nya opportunity bad ya nya kro ye no aba double no ono so twa me now the same time ye kwa me kai time na ye pe 2016 na ye pre 2 NDC na MPP abano me colleagues and politicians be an campaign they no matter get and say oh ye me de nya me pa ha na sane no abo NDC ni bi din sane kwa we ye pa me nya ho a adwen ode ko sika but ye won bi no now we were determined say ye nya opportunity na he baba and radiadom me hu enya ma ho enya me nya hwe extraordinary but enema koye ma me pa
ba yen hwe
enema koye ma me pa
ubetimi aka se enne bebia nyame de wadui once what tren won sama abo afoforo
bebre eno de bebre we call the campaign first campaign primaries that was 2014 I discovered some boys be now we JHS but no mun cross school but na before say me call primaries na ye polling station elections until me Kobe na me those boys no 19 no we sure say ne organize near man and I say na be some cross school I was surprised so how until me we me primaries na me Lucy no me fa 2 and number 3 until me mom cross school na unfortunately back no entimi am pass babako pass SHS no me ne call Legon.
Oh, wow.
We were first class.
Wow.
They say oye juma I didn't hope me nya opportunity or to so boys na need di machi no me fa ebi o me nya opportunity bi onti me ma ebi ko share ana soldier mun so me nya opportunity kakra nti me o nkofo kakra fi me consistency a e pushi o mo e share ho nti me ni sade hu de na mainly said the youth will be employed somebody nya bibia ye anyesa e dach no ehu basa ekoso nyanya se dodo na anyesa sa no mo pe but when opportunity be afo no so ni bi omo etaduane amana di te bo se chrono 77 fata mayo no mo bob brabi en fata your how me we need somebody obetini leading a year fisa how no
abusia ye din komo pa me ni se won so wusia de na ansa na mama kwaje mabo afon kaso embrace say na mental son from
abusia for amaka ba GQ Travel Hotel Sabudu Germany global flight from Ghana, China, Dubai, explore the world with us. Run and fly to Ghana. You better on train from Bibia Germany. I brought how that TTB. Now they are for plane. You go to international airport. You go to Apeko airport to your destination. And one person go holidays. So if you are going to project to Munya, Bibia Metro, and some project to you. So you go to Yamamo, Divine Space. You go to GQ Luxus Hills Hotel. I will equip. Maha will make travel also stress free. Travel management, expert in traveling. GQ Travel Hotels. Call us +49 17996 4242 +49 1521 485 2424. Check us on our website gqtravel-hotels.com. GQ, stay connected.
Mr. Bright, share. And Obibe say as I can, ya wa ne fish can Lucy. And yet said bibi the base as I yet base, be who can be near true base. na ya tro Ghana first the base na almost the Ghana first the base as a Crawford can say can never call the base can never turn home any demo what is that cannot turn home beboa if we MPP
asama me no ka asama doji na okay the base no me so my TV and omo di animal are very very passionate say omo ti party na omo hwe say ora Kennedy Japan aba be di anim me susu mu no de minim Ken me yin ni say I na jun say oba ko di the base nanim na so obedi anim minim Ken na o kana sem say na tie no nka o so otimika but the told me say na me dream say Ken and power e din a che so de bia na bibi so
because by this time there's some power
ka say nti mid or the base na ana wankwa ni nyina mu no is the same because Ken and the base now ka MPP mu minimum Crawford there is no way obenya fa so bia MPP and they no cray
Ken nyam fa so bia
MPP
nti
Crawford is very vindictive papa
Ken ususu so mo tan MPP amanyuko mu ana
me sure say neck Ken called Trinity crime more. Not MPP every near. They will still refer to some things or more perceive say why. A perception keke. And no open making chance. And the man who say or boy MPP. I know the M1. And the base no so me fear can say Ghana to win political power now. Aside MPP and this ain't easy. And also only more years. Senko more years there. Can make us say, yeah, obey me a constancy. So when you will not try next time, obey me. It is a CR part there. Mean you say a good idea say obey joining the base. You say a good idea so joining the base. But say or feel say or person joining no to me organizer who you are. You say oh youth no supports. Youth no be brave supports no. Now me in person say or join here or joining the base now I think say make me voice say I'm for bit here na say ne onya say ojina as a candidate for
the
presidential now wherever he is or a candidate even though major politics but make us a man.
Wow.
When they can do.
Obakasa amano.
Obakasa amano.
Edi na wo hu okin mu a opeke na semsa. Because
I don't say Ghana for who me okin mu engine to musa.
And so interview be bra ya granted dodo na obi o ho say na no ya dodo.
Look at
Didi matem.
Look at that.
Ba me your ba ken didi matem da.
Anya sample oba be no didi natem afi aso asenda eye den no didi natem eno kwa na na shi
me boss lady ba ku Tracy Boachin so ene ne nya banga kakra
nti say titu most of the time no Ken be di ebeka ntokwa bia na ye party nti MPP nti no
odo woma party no
the ntokwa bia Ken anya bia ye MPP nti no and so omatimi adane na say ni suban so na no didi matem hwe ne yira ajo asafo de okikai then na cheso didi atem who distance him here party no ke kana bia che so di atempo the way aye we didi watem
o kan kware ase ade ade right na wonya
no na ema me kra pana say mebre no say odina koma nyina di ade na chi say e failure ontumi odi koma pa ana dia bibi opeso ye bia chi Ken is a nice man. Me jidi say Ghana nyana ebeboa.
Kebeboa.
Ghana nyana kebeboa.
And Ghana ya Lucy Ken. Lucy ya Lucy na politics side. Na minim say me ma me de eneni ne nyina me boken dia na obesu. Because o think a free education no. Ebeboa onim say Ken be ba be shemu kena. Ba yan hwe and now they compare your president Oteso John Dramani Mahama. Na memo a wo bu ene MPP ba ye koye wo de compare enei yenka no kwawe kakwa wo hwe se de memo no NDC for ebu a memo na wo sha eye your President John Dramani Mahama wo said the nneɛma a ɛkɔ any deal there na beka fam
amemo no me in person there enya so many but I Ghana standard there
I didn't na Ghana standard there
saga o she omo ma bedidi anim dada no nyina na mutumi de ka ho no me say Owura John Dramani Mahama oye bi so o she currently in city site me agina is stable no and a boy economy no be business people need me planning very well and no quite plus ka say emma ya no because no say ya titi for so nya ne asan to me but you share the we say send e kon
say bia ntokwa na ko so no answer be ka say nya de betimi affect
maybe ukoto crude no abeton udija wakoto ade no the send no to no ko yatum obeda I maintain new price. And also too. Into your crying lack and say CD no I stable. Sanka CD no esu kobia. And ka price I send a bit of fuel on kayin to me.
Into a hono baka say be a president can say so bab on tembe kasa for sa.
And the politics.
Oh, okay.
And the politics so mean the petrol politics fititi anti. A drew be also no opposition. Also the and the politics.
Ben I say wo share MPP NDC ugina kire ya afani mienu ba na metimi aka so omo Ghana ha de omo teso wo share hwan pa na abebo Ghana
say wo share make say it's almost the same but no say NDC are transfer check into me share Rollins titru say after 92 no that's 93 ba no I ba democracy no osha Ghana ebue those days even ukoso nyane kekekra na enye izi na bekota malene na de but obie sa include titru ni akwanya we yitum osha electricity expansion Rollins did a lot oye be brave ana enema no bebre na me na 83 na me school ni me share that time no mu 70 late 70 say ba no mu no na ho kire ho pa teacher say etewa mu hon ma na yenya normal provisions mpo na ye queue ntini nyina timi twa mu woni breso na me say the Ghana call him that time can you say that na bia na nke da so we achi ana kufo so ba no so ono so beto aso pa even the Accra ampo Accra na first no na roads no nyina ye Mosa Hu road 37 ho circle ko through La Paz on mu nyina na nyina ye Mosa Hu road ba kufo time na sa expansion no so ba ya in cities no so any bui any other social policies no mo de ba no omo nyina ye bi but say omo nyina omo obi ansi obi bia the same the same
me de bia me tetesa no me ka say wo ama wa ya de pa because ne ba bia ni ho na wura ho a wo hu na tie wa ya de no de omo ya de what time
MPs no be you very influential MPs ni be very very influential pa
so ni Mboama
pa Patrick Bama minimum pa yeah minimum on say oh a very nice gentleman odi party na ni crank and you so the evidence of being inti ebi yade but no ye individuals bia omo work omo amafo bu omo inti omo timi de sa respect e omo no timi de nya bibi ko omo pesu ase Patrick Bama say me sure say if you na crying this your power so here bibi won pesu ase na of course our minister crony ho e kosram just on betie no because you know nyam for obi a abu yeah
enche edwumadi ni nyina besi na yenhwe Canada compare kwa Japan ya papa yewra enne obi beka say te say wo ase ne ho afono MPP4 dodo na ase ne ho afono MPP4 onso beka say Ken MPP4 otena so saden o kan MPP4 mu saden nya do mbe mana kwan se ombra
so umrapa then out
enti nene the base obi be say enkrofo sasa kan nim na se okodwane the base ya MPP amanyeku nso no osan gu no because say ne me kan kodwane a obi e di na chi wudo kena sa wonso onka say obakọ sebe yewra Dr. Mahmood Bawumia akache obakọ ken ho won susu sese kan ye na adwin so free MPP amanyeku na MPP beko form
aka fama den olusu we say fi na ekọ no oni chefa bia MPP mu
adenti
onya hwimfi onya faso bia mfi MPP mu e won so invest bebre there but so adwin won say o de sika hyemu nti ofi mu enye ya more ha no because we spending more faso bia ema so nti me kon dia aka on try ni ba bi no onye ni business
even the base krama ne
more ha no because base no next election on timi win na when timi win a enro no ni age so kwa ni mu
didn't now so said the next election 2028 e bia ya papa Kennedy akompre ko Japan ko join the
Ghana to say no ye wo pure NDC for pure NPP for omo no oye den omo wo nti floating voters no ana the base no ebetimi atwi bi omo ano mo ye NPP a base betimi atwi omo no omo nru 5%.
Wow.
Nti so komo a obako ye djuma obo amafo di wachi pa kwase ndu mo baye amafo di o machi a no mu nyan
na lanka square
the betimi aya ne say e bia first round no first no betimi ama akọ runoff because if you are between 20%. Yeah. But we can't go beyond 20%. It's not how na afi na the two parties no odo ho kwakọ don back on. Anna Ken Sebasa who come back to your MPP there. And here we are now we can now obeko NDC. But I don't think Sebebo nti on training baby onye ni business or a businessman expand there bet me aboa youth no kakra at least in sabaso kakra so na onfa no saa ana owo contacts obetimi de one obetimi nya partners no mas establishing more businesses ama youth no enye bia timi kwa mefutuo no obetie dia nka ma onko baby on training baby na onye ni business na emu sabaso ko base dia and the still am mekasa no
obekasa
oh yes
yeah 2028 Dr. Mahmood Bawumia obefa osha for the work at the
me 20 Eastern Region for the near platform be so 2024 election before Yabato primaries I criticize somebody Bawumia bano then they say me sure there is no way about me between winning and power even that time no and I'm for GD so be win I felt say Bawumia ain't me winning power am I
DNT as a obia Bawumia ain't me winning power adenti na Bawumia
say they are
winning power
first no na me nyina so ye me ma kakra bi
obetimi abobo bi so
ba ko ye religion say ogidio onjindio sa Christo som any Muslim ade no de ewo ho
yantum mo bi
Christians no ye wo fanatic Christians a wo ye den omontoma Muslim nti typical and the NPP for no de ombeto amam say we Christian ko beto amam ba ye wo floating voters say na sofo nkasa area campaign tia oh, my sorry, then we just are and it was a very big factor.
Me say me your chini me na me to abama sabe pepe no me.
And no crowd nka na tribal we no na nye peace but religion dey no mo bioma no nka ho but na shaman for mu pa. It was a very big factor. And secondly, the campaign messages are the 2016-2020 elections no. Bebre ohon ma ye ntimi anye nti
so say denti no mo ntimi
me feel say mu bi ohon ma they didn't think through ma dwen hu ye say ma mini say de mo kan mo be ye na mo de power ana ono so de ani mo kan nti ye ntimi anye no na fe ono na nanim da say ono de try and throw nti NDC vote me pamsha no so your true for and I'm a 4G to Musa Bamia your trofo. As they say, crowd the iOS. They said the iOS crash say almost your trofo na iOS. It's me from 2024 election and near corner. Even though na be a party in me Kokoye campaign. Me chairman Krakow in the region. Bono Kokoye campaign, but let me near that so be I say obetwe we need power. And it's the same now. They say crowd the iOS city to ne send your di Canada tama Canada chidi for be brebu afunu. Obi on ma on konkoto man this about on koto. On tuka say titu no mo monto about baby o motino. So kwa koto ama no be bring konti percentage enya no 2024 no. 2028 so better.
Obi baka say eh answer na be sorry so no. Dr. Mahmood Bawumia. Osho modem bo a no so ebo a ubeka say niema bi na ono so fangugu akwan because say ye sha eye promise time na ye call Dr. Mahmood Bawumia akachi a wo mu di atem ye call Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan nso akachi o mu su di atem yes you do me I do you inti say obi beka say promise na ye wie tinani say koka be say we inti munyina yenka mom ususu say boli bi abese Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan
Revi enye boli bi abese ba yen party no se onimi yi a yenya tag o say o yesi a gitum say o yesa onye say akwa gitum say o yesa because I na di wachi aka inti 2024 election and then I can am I Lucy but our message is say Ken am I Lucy 2024
sure
and numpo no na afi atem de no buy Ken and the buy how okokra Ken me amin 2024 or your campaign pa or correct your campaign yet I will say o campaign how you na akra na am I Lucy so and then also enjoy
obi be say ene efutu ben na de be ma emayoa ene mrante wa aba
yo
ene demo
me futu a me de ma emabu no ne say de di kan omfa nyamesro anye endi omanim kan osum nyame ya ebo bebri na mo ndi no kre me hwe me amabro aboma me fi say ne sesa me no dodo na ye nyamesro me imagine say me sunya me na me abofra kra I was about 8 years time na me see me tea cocoa farm ana na afi na ya start kwa ewo me presby ewo me village nti na me fi ada ye kwa practice me ko me village me ko farm na me try na me ye me kwa practice me kasa me de misika na me wefu na me village na me bible na me wo nkoko because me ton makoko me first sika me nyaye me de koto bible me kai pa that was 8th June 1978 and I met me first bible na echi nti na me som no edi manim na me say eno na be boa me enti na me schools na me yesu na me fi school no say yaba beti fellowship crowd me village ho and say and also eboa me bo no bebre me ka me chrome hin that time no oh me was kwaku me mama mo pa no boy crash back dey say hey abrantia we no matimi man na ye nipa musa no satan na boy no wi no a small boy but no shiro I just say it trust him but ye ne kasa enti omo manya me som no entimi omo and that's the first na meka no mo man no kware die enso ndi o manim kan because they say no atosem no dos esa sika openti obadada say obetwa atro de ohun yo se wehu obiama na adwuma sa wonye no na bo say o didimu na o
go nya no ho kran se nipa na o ma adwuma no
nti om di no kre o ba bia o be ko bia adwuma mu bibia mu no om ndi no kre eno ne ade a me de beja mo say om nso nyame na om ndi no kre e o ma brabo
chiana fofo ba ko mienu ana obi afese won chiana
yo ene me na fofo ina me soldier miss your friend in Take 30 and the current CDS General William Japan former Chief of Air Staff Evans Marshal Bequin another former Chief of Air Staff sorry, Air Marshal Queen and Air Vice Marshal Hansen. And I'm a general, so I'm the system, General Term, General Kakakuma, General Hedido, Jandu, General Mustafa, all the generals and my colleagues are. Yes, so you just enter my office. Nina, I'm a chair, Minia, and also Uja as Major kept for me. And by every young boy, watch now, my monitoring and say, or share any yes, ever.
A year made of for me when I mean can. The mechanism Yanko Ponko so no shall say, I bring an episode beer, the baby beer, so you. Na any demo say and your first time na unsubscribe to your channel na or one day I saw be subscribe and like and share na do comment aka ho e de amaye ebrepem no ye be san e hye biumba ansa na no Joshua ne gina fidie na chi a wo chinchin ma wonya ehweme ane eye Mr Bright Kwekunso asante ne ne no etwetwe nkomo no na edi no ensesa no edi no e de shodi ofra mi shodi a mejo so Ebrepem, Yabesan, Asia, I will feed the case. So, Macron.
Abusafa, Amaka, Bajiki Travel Hotel, Sabudu, Germany. Global flight from Ghana, China, Dubai. Explore the world with us. Run and fly to Ghana. Yabeba train from Bibiao, Germany. I brought how not TTB. Now they are for plane. You go to international airport. You go to Apico airport to your destination. And one person will holidays. So if you are able to project to Muna, maybe I'm metro and some project to use. You go to Mamma, Divine Space, you go to GQ Luxus Hills Hotel. I will equip Maha will make travel also stress free. Travel management, expert in traveling. GQ Travel Hotels. Call us +49 17996 4242 +49 1521 485 2424. Check us on our website gqtravel-hotels.com. GQ, stay connected.